I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have a very interesting question where we are going to work with the radicals. This is one of the test questions from our test 2, quadratic equations. The question here is, calculate the volume of Q with side length of 2 square root 3 minus square root 2. So if the side length is 2 square root 3 minus square root 2, what is going to be the volume? Well, the volume is product of sides, right? So in this case, the volume will be equal to 2 square root 3 minus square root 2 whole cube, right? That is what the volume will be. You'll multiply this by itself, right? 3 times. You can always pause the video, answer this question by expanding this and simplifying. So basically, it means that you will need 2 square root 3 minus 2, square root 2 square, right, times 2 square root 3 minus square root 2. Well, if you know the formula for a minus b whole cube, you could also use that. Let me write down the formula, but I'm not using it here. A minus b whole cube. You could use the formula, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? You could use this formula to expand. Well, use the square formula because most students do not know this cube formula, right? Maybe that is the reason why this question is there in the test paper. So let's find the square of this, which is the square formula, you remember, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? So square of, let me write this as 2 square root 3 a square minus, if it is minus, this will be minus, right? 2 times 2ab means 2 square root 3 times 2 plus b square means square root 2 square, right? Times will do 2 square root 3 minus square root 2, correct? So that gives you square of this. Let me put square brackets here. Square of this is 4 times 3, right? Minus 4 square root 6 plus 2 times 2 square root 3 minus square root 2. That is equal to 4 times 3 is 12, right? Minus 4 square root 6 plus 2 times 2 square root 3 minus square root 2, right? So we can now simplify. 12 plus 2 is 14 minus 4 square root 6 times 2 square root 3 minus square root 2. Let's apply the distributive property. Multiplying 14 by both the terms, right? And then by 4 square root 6. So you get what? 14 times 2 is 28, square root 3. And then we have 14 square root 2. Then with 4 square root 6, we get 4 times 2 is 8 with a negative sign. Square root of 6 times 3 is 18. 4 minus minus becomes plus, and square root 12. Makes sense, right? Have a good look at it, right? Now we can simplify. We have 28 square root 3 minus 14 square root 2. Now 18 within the square root can be written as 9 times 2. So 9 comes outside. 9 times 8 is 72, right? And 4 times 12 within square root means 4 times 3. So 2 comes outside, right? So 8 square root 3. Now you can combine 28 square root 3 with 8, which gives you 36 square root 3. And the square root 2's, minus and minus 72, they can be added. We get negative of 86, right? So that becomes the volume of the cube, right? So we'll say unit cube. Make sense? So that is how we are going to solve this particular question. I'd like you to verify this solution by using the formula directly, right? So that is going to help you to practice and get ready for your own test. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.